Welcome to this video where I'm going to show you the step-by-step process on how to install and set up your app, Kit Action Automation for Workflows. Navigate to App Marketplace, search for the app and click on it. Click on Install and click on Allow and Install. Ignore this pop-up. Once you're done installing the app, reload the page, then you head down to the custom page of the app, click on it. Then you're going to see this interface with all its necessary features, such as the documentation and everything you need to begin your journey with this specific app is right in here. We have the tutorial video and configuration walkthrough video that is going to guide you on how to get the necessary credentials to set up your app. We have the app setup, no worries, let's walk you through on that. Click on the Start Setup and you'll be required an API key and an API secret key to complete your configuration. Let's head to the account we've created online. Click on your profile and then click on Settings. Scroll down and click on the Developer. Then head over to V3 key and you copy your API key. Head back to your account and you paste. Then you click on Show Secret Key, copy and you paste. Click on Complete Setup. And your app will be successfully set up and configured. We have the support center where you'll be able to submit a ticket and as well book a one-on-one video session with our support team. And a changelog feature that is going to enable you to track all the updates and improvements made on this specific app. To receive emails, toggle on the email notification button, insert your email, and click on Subscribe. You've learned how to install, set up, and configure your app. Our support team is available for more guides and tips. Thanks for watching.